Hello everybody, I hope you all had a good Christmas and New Year and stuff. For those of you who don't know, I'm MC Seth and I run a couple of print-on-demand stores. And in this video, it's going to be a bit shorter than my normal videos actually. It's just going to be a design tips video, which hopefully I'm going to turn into a series, because there's a lot of products on Contrado that need a lot of extra thought, and I've been searching through the marketplace and there's a lot of mistakes in there, and mistakes I've even made myself. So hopefully in this video I'm going to teach you how to not make them. So right, I'm going to switch you over to the Contrado production screen. I've already set something up on there. Right, so here we have the high-waisted leggings. We're going to start with these because this is going to be the same for all trousers and shorts that require 4 different sections of design. You'll get what I mean if you start to do it, and if you're already doing it, you already know what I mean. So basically, when you place your artwork on there, it will place it like this. Depending on, you know, the dimensions of your artwork, it might stick out the edges, which is a bit of a ball ache, which I'll go into a later video. But if you can, turn them portrait on things like this, and you can see the edges, and you can use this ruler up here to make things sit right. So basically, on the front left leg, you want to place your image. If you wanted a mirrored version of that image, then go ahead and mirror the pattern for the left leg, but this is a pattern that doesn't require that. So front left, we're just going to put it up there, and usually I press the auto size button there just to make sure it fits. And then on the front right leg, now you see I've chosen my artwork there, do the same. But if we go to the preview and save now, you can see that these are both the same, and on this pattern actually it doesn't look so bad. But I'm going to show you what I do on most of my patterns, because it does look odd when you do that on some patterns. That actually looks quite good. But what I usually do here is I'd mirror the pattern and then come over here and just see that's lined up on that mark, nice and easy. So this is going to be really easy to do. So what we want to do is we just want to shift this whole thing, so this line is where that line was, and that would be a mirrored version. I could have made the sensitivity a bit more, but it's good to work with less. There we go. So that's where that was now, and that's actually a mirrored version because it's on the other leg. So if we go to the preview and save now, you can see that actually looks a bit better than what it did before. And you'd do that for the same. So front left, front right. Going back to the front left, we're on the back left now. So you'd do the same. You'd mirror it again, because it's the opposite of the front left. And again, oh hang on, this isn't actually lining up the same, because I believe the back sizes are slightly different than the front sizes. So yeah, so you can see the front size is 72.4 and the back is 74.18. Now what we can do to make them the same is we can make this one a bit larger, but it might not matter. It might not matter so much. So let's have a look at this way first. So mirror the pattern, and then where is that? That's sort of in between those two. It's a bit difficult sometimes. On some of the products it leaves like a huge outline of where it was, so it's really easy to match up. But unfortunately on these high-waisted leggings it doesn't do that. So you've got to do it manually and remember where it was, unfortunately. So let's do that. I'm just constantly staring at where that other line just was just now. And of course it's not going to be perfect because these come in like various sizes, so the stitch work is obviously going to change, but just try and get it as good as you can. So that's the opposite of the front left, and then the back right is nice and easy because it's the opposite of the front right, which is the opposite of the left leg, so this one's normal again. So that's done. And then I don't know why that's not filled out on the waistband there, but it will be. There you go. Front and back, done like a bun in the oven. Anyways, let's go back to my big screen. So cheers for watching that, and I'm not sure how often these videos will come out, but maybe daily, maybe weekly, who knows. But anyways, you take care, and I'll see you soon.